Welcome back to the Dream Cars, the home for horsepower, innovation, and everything that makes your dream ride a reality. Today, we're diving into a truck that's been redefining luxury and power on four wheels, the all-new 2026 Ram 1500. If you thought Ram couldn't push the envelope any further, this one's here to prove you wrong. Right off the bat, the 2026 Ram 1500 commands attention with its refreshed exterior. It's bold, modern, and unmistakably Ram, but sleeker. You'll notice the front grille's been reworked for a cleaner, more aerodynamic design, and the LED headlamps are sharper than ever. From the aggressive stance to the sculpted body lines, this truck looks like it means business, because it does. Under the hood, big changes. Say goodbye to the HEMI V8. That's right, it's gone. But don't panic just yet. In its place, Ram introduces the Hurricane engine lineup. We're talking twin-turbo inline-six power that doesn't just match the old V8, it beats it. The standard version pushes out 420 horsepower, while the high-output version cranks it up to a wild 540 horses. Torque, plenty of it, enough to tow, haul, or simply tear up the road with a grin on your face. And let's not ignore efficiency. Thanks to this new engine architecture, Ram's delivering more power with better fuel economy. Whether you're cruising highways or tackling job sites, the 2026 Ram 1500 is built to go the distance without draining your wallet at the pump. Inside, it's where this truck truly becomes a dream. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a pickup. Ram continues to lead the segment in interior quality, and for 2026, they're pushing further. We're talking premium materials, real wood accents, and a layout that feels both rugged and refined. Front and center is the massive 14.5-inch touchscreen running the latest Uconnect 5 system. It's fast, it's intuitive, and it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a separate 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and for the first time ever, a passenger side screen is available. Whether you're the driver or riding shotgun, you're plugged into the future. Comfort, oh, you'll be comfortable. With available 24-way power adjustable seats, massage functions, and heated and ventilated everything, this truck isn't just ready for the long haul, it's made for it. The back seats recline, there's tons of legroom, and if you go for the tungsten trim, Ram's new top-tier luxury level, you're in for a first-class experience unlike anything else in a truck. But this isn't just a luxury lounge on wheels. It's still a workhorse. Payload and towing capacity remain best in class, with over 11,500 pounds of towing available. Ram's advanced trailer technology, including surround view cameras and trailer reverse steering control, make hauling easier and safer than ever. In safety, you're covered. Every 2026 Ram 1500 comes with a full suite of driver assistance features, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a new hands-free driving mode that works on approved highways. This truck practically drives itself when you want it to, and puts you fully in control when you don't. There's also a new frame underneath, stronger, lighter, and designed for better ride quality and improved crash protection. Pair that with the optional air suspension and this Ram glides over bumps like a luxury SUV. One of the most exciting additions. The Ramcharger. Not to be confused with a full EV, this is a range-extended electric truck. It gives you about 145 miles of all-electric range, and when that runs out, a gas generator kicks in to charge the battery and keep you moving. No range anxiety here, just smart power delivery. Pricing. You'll start seeing base models around the mid-$40,000s, but with higher trims and added options, that number can climb into luxury territory, especially if you opt for the tungsten. But you're getting a lot for your money. This isn't just a pickup, it's a premium vehicle that happens to have a bed. In the world of trucks, the 2026 Ram 1500 sets a new standard. It's powerful, luxurious, high-tech, and built to last. Whether you need a tough work companion or just want the best truck money can buy, this one's going to be hard to beat. That's it for today's deep dive. If this is your dream truck, or maybe it just became one, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a ride on the Dream Cars. Until next time, keep chasing your dream drive.